Hello, and welcome to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the wonders of the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and I'm so glad you're here. Today, we're diving into a simple but essential word, between. It's an A1 level preposition that means in the middle of two things. Let's start with the basics. Imagine standing between two trees in a park. You're not to the left or the right, you're right in the middle. That's what between is all about. You can use it to describe location, time, or even relationships. For example, the meeting is between 2 p.m. and 3 p.m., or she stood between her two best friends in the photo. Now, let's look at some synonyms for between. A common one is among, though it's used slightly differently. For example, the secret was shared among the team. Another synonym is amid, often used for things that surround you, like, he found himself amid a sea of papers. These words aren't always interchangeable, but they can convey a similar idea. For antonyms, you might use outside or separate from. Think of a sentence like, he sat outside the circle of friends, or her opinion was completely separate from the others. These show a clear contrast to the meaning of between. How about using between in everyday life? Imagine asking, what's the difference between these two options? Or, if you're at a cafe, you might say, I'm choosing between tea and coffee. It's one of those words that pops up in so many situations, making it super practical to know. Let's try a few examples together. The keys are between the couch cushions. The train runs between London and Paris. There's a fine line between love and hate. You can see how versatile between can be, whether you're talking about objects, places, or even abstract ideas. That wraps up today's episode. We've explored the meaning of between, looked at some synonyms and antonyms, and practiced using it in sentences. Thanks so much for listening, and don't forget to subscribe to Hello Word. Your support helps others discover the show, so if you enjoyed this episode, leave a review and let us know. Before you go, why not create your own sentence using between and share it with us? I'd love to hear what you come up with. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.